So I'm going to start with quarter cup of oil. This is quarter cup of oil just to cover the base completely of big chopped onions like this in a ring, and 2 to 3 whole tomatoes, 3 ginger cloves, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Everything put on the base, on the sides like this. Around 3 green chilies. This will become the sauce, and this would be the chicken, the whole chicken. Slit it so that there are no thick chunks, and smear it with masala, whatever masala you like. Chicken masala, garam masala, chili powder, salt, whatever you like. Ensure that the bottom is free like this. Now this is chicken with the skin. So the bottom, which is in contact with the base, should be masala free. So I'm going to place it like this so that the bottom touches the base. And all these vegetables will become our sauce. Look at this. See? Close. Cook on high for around 7 minutes or so. I'm going to start this. I'll be adding quarter cup of oil here. One cup of shallots, whole shallots. 2 whole tomatoes. Around 5 garlic cloves, whole garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon of ginger. 4 whole green chilies. Now we are following the CPF technique here with slightly lesser oil. Now all these will get fried in the oil, and this is mutton lollipops, which has been marinated with ginger garlic paste, mutton masala, salt and chili powder. So I'll just arrange it like this to ensure that the spice powders do not touch the bottom. That's it. Our layering is done. I'm going to close and cook this on high for around 10 minutes. You can just set the timer and forget about it. That's it. It's 12 minutes. I'm going to switch this off and let it settle. Okay, the pressure of this seems to have settled. I'm going to stop this. It's taken us around 16 minutes. So let me just move this and get this into focus. Let's see how our whole chicken looks like. Wow. That looks nice. Let me just invert this onto a plate and get the gravy ready. Look at that. That looks nicely done. And now this is the gravy. There is a little bit of charring. We can live with this. This will become the sauce. So you can either mash the whole thing up. இது கூட பண்ண வேண்டாம். Just mash it up.
Chili mash.
Or blend it if you want to. So that is the gravy. Very minor charring. This is an intensely flavored sauce. This is our chicken sarduparmani. I am just going to pour this.
Yeah.
Let it seep. And there you go. You can strain out the oil if you like.
தனியாக எடுத்தால் வந்துடும்.
எடுத்து பாரு, அப்படி கழட்டி பாரு. Cleaner இருக்கு. Okay, look at that. So that looks perfectly well done. Just use this as a dipping sauce and sarduparmani.
Super.
Okay. The mutton has also settled down. This has taken us around 8 minutes to settle down. Release the pressure, open this. I'm going to just transfer the whole thing onto a plate. There is a bit of charring at the bottom, so don't scrape off the burnt bits. There you go. Just remove these are the look at the beautiful charring. My goodness.
Super.
This is highly desired. The black bits can be removed, but a bit of charring adds incredible flavor. So what I'm going to do now is just remove the. Just give me a minute. You can either choose to blend the whole thing, or you can just use a masher and mash everything up. Very flavorful. Into which just mix in the mutton. You have this beautiful mutton gravy or mutton korambu or whatever you want to. Give it all a nice good mix. Put it mini. Semi gravy. There you go. Now let me just plate the whole thing. So there you go. That is your whole chicken, and this is your thick mutton semi-gravy, mutton lollipop semi-gravy, all done and dusted in less than 20 minutes from scratch. The oil mixed with chicken juices, you can just strain it off. You can sear the chicken a bit more if you like. But this is perfectly edible and very juicy. Try this out. Please validate and leave your feedbacks.